हाँ जी, तो अब बात करेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट जीके क्वेश्चन की 101 से लेके 200 तक, मतलब 100 मोर क्वेश्चंस फॉर जीके। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच क्रॉप इज़ प्रोड्यूस मोस्ट इन हरियाणा। हरियाणा के अंदर कौन सी फसल सबसे ज़्यादा उगाई जाती है, वो है हमारी वीट यानी कि गेहूँ। नेक्स्ट है विच खारीफ क्रॉप कवर द मैक्सिमम एग्रीकल्चर एरिया इन हरियाणा। जो खारीफ क्रॉप है, राइस खारीफ क्रॉप के अंदर आती है और मैक्सिमम एग्रीकल्चर एरिया हरियाणा। तो कौन सी ऐसी खारीफ क्रॉप है जो सबसे ज़्यादा एरिया कवर करती है हरियाणा में, वो है राइस। नेक्स्ट है विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज़ नोन एज राइस बाउल ऑफ द स्टेट। करनाल, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा चावल की उत्पादकता है, वो है करनाल। द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन इज़ टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ। जो नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन था, वो उसका मेन कार्य क्या था, क्या इंक्रीज़ करना, गेहूँ और पल्सेस, व्हीट और पल्सेस को इंक्रीज़ करना। इंडो डच प्रोजेक्ट वॉज लॉन्च इन हरियाणा इन कोलेब्रेशन विद विच कंट्री। जो इंडो डच प्रोजेक्ट था हरियाणा के अंदर जो लॉन्च किया गया था, वो किस कंट्री के साथ कोलैबोरेट यानी कि मिलकर किया गया था, वो है नीदरलैंड। इन विच ईयर हरियाणा स्टेट सीड सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी वॉज इस्टेब्लिश्ड। 1976 में सीड सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी बनी थी, इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी। विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन हरियाणा इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल। सिरसा। सिरसा सबसे बड़ा फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स का प्रोड्यूसर है पूरे हरियाणा में। विच फ्रूट इज़ ग्रोन ऑन लार्जेस्ट एरिया इन हरियाणा। मैंगो हरियाणा में सबसे लार्जेस्ट एरिया में उगाया जाता है या उगता है। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज ए पॉपुलर शिप ब्रीड फाउंड इन हरियाणा। हिसार डाला। हिसार डाला जो है सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे शिप्स पाई जाती हैं, शिप्स की प्रजाति। नेक्स्ट है मैच द फॉलोइंग्स। हॉर्टिकल्चर जो कौन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से है, तो इसका जो आंसर है वो एनी जोन है जो हमारा, दैट इज़ बिलोंग्स टू पंचकुला। SW जोन दैट इज़ बिलोंग्स टू सिरसा। SE जोन दैट इज़ बिलोंग टू गुड़गांव एंड सेंट्रल जोन दैट इज़ बिलोंग्स टू पानीपत, यानी कि जिसका जो कोड्स हैं वो है 4321। नेक्स्ट है मैच द फॉलोइंग अगेन। मैंगो बिलोंग्स टू पंचकुला, प्रोडक्शन एरिया बताना है, एंड बीर बिलोंग्स टू रोहतक। ओनला बिलोंग्स टू गुड़गांव एंड गुआवा बिलोंग्स टू सोनीपत। नेक्स्ट है वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल स्टार्टेड इन हरियाणा। भिवानी इज भिवानी इज अ सिटी वेयर द फर्स्ट कॉटन मिल स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट पेपर मिल वॉज स्टार्टेड इन 1929। विच सिटी इज कंसिडर्ड बिगेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी ऑफ हरियाणा। फरीदाबाद, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया है वो है फरीदाबाद। पंचकुला इज फेमस फॉर विच टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक। हरियाणा हैज़ इट्स प्रिंटिंग एंड पैकेजिंग क्लस्टर्स एट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट। यमुनानगर। जगधीरी वेयर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ शताब्दी ट्रेन्स इज अंडरटेकन सिचुएटेड इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ यमुनानगर। जगधीरी वेयर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ शताब्दी ट्रेन्स इज अंडरटेकन is situated in Yamunanagar. Which among the following was the first industry to be set up in Gurgaon? Automobile. Automobile, the first industry to set up in Gurgaon, that is automobile. Due to production of scientific equipments, which cities Haryana is nicknamed as science city, that is Ambala. Ambala is called the science city of Haryana. Nickname of Ambala is science city. The city of Sonipat is popular for which industry? That is bicycle industry. Sonipat, where bicycle industry is popular. Next है which place is Haryana has a flourishing industry of a special kind of footwear? Tila Jutti, that is Rewari. Tila Jutti, that is belongs to Rewari. In which of the following years HSIDC came into existence? HSIDC 1967. Here the full form of HSIDC is H for Haryana, S for state, I for industrial and infrastructure, D for development and C for corporation. So this Haryana State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited started in 1967 for promoting industrial area. Next, which of the following organization is responsible for industrial infrastructure development in the state? That is state PWD department is responsible for this development. Next is at which of the following district industrial model township is proposed to be set up? That is Faridabad. In which of the following district Reliance has set up is Sedge? That is Jhajjar. Which among the following places in Haryana is being developed as a storage and warehouse hub? Rewari, Panipat, Faridabad. All of these are called a storage and warehouse hub. Next है match the following. So industrial estate district बताने Kudli, that is belongs to Sonipat, Samalkha, that is belongs to Panipat, Tohana, that is belongs to Fatehabad, and Rose Ka Mayo, that is belongs to Gurgaon. Which of the following is the biggest power station of Haryana? That is Panipat Power Plant. Panipat Power Plant is the biggest power station of Haryana. In which year Panipat Thermal Power Station was commissioned? That is in 1979. Panipat Thermal Power Station was commissioned 1979. Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Project is located in the district of Hisar. Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Project is located in the district of Hisar. Panipat Thermal Power Station was commissioned 1979 and Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Project is located in Hisar. Next time Mahatma Gandhi Thermal Power Project is situated in Jhajjar. Rajiv Gandhi situated in Hisar and Mahatma Gandhi Thermal Power Project is situated in Jhajjar. In which of the following district Kakroi Hydel Project is? Kakroi Hydel Project is located in Sonipat. In which of the following district Kakroi Hydel Project is located? That is Sonipat. In which of the following district nuclear power plant of 2800 MW capacity is set up in Fatehabad? Nuclear power plant of 2800 MW capacity is set up in Fatehabad. Which among the following non-conventional source of energy is found abundantly in Haryana? Solar energy. First solar power plant in Haryana was set up in which? Nandpa. Nandpa, that is the area where first solar power plant is set up. Which program is launched by Government of Haryana for developing skilled manpower in the field of renewable energy? That is Surya Mitra. This was a program to developing skilled manpower in the field of renewable energy, Surya Mitra. Where in Haryana the first biogas plant was set up in Panipat. Biogas plant that is set up in Panipat. Haryana government has formulated its renewable energy policy in the year 2005. Next, Haryana Electricity Reform Act was passed in the year 1997. Hathni Kund barrage is located over Yamunanagar, that is located in Yamuna. The district of Ambala is dependent for irrigation on canals. The district of Ambala is dependent for irrigation on canals. Jui Canal project was primarily designed to irrigate the semi-desert area of Bhiwani. Jui Canal project was firstly or primarily designed for Bhiwani area. Tajewala barrage built across Yamuna river is located in Yamuna Nagar. Which of the following agencies is responsible for generation for powers in Haryana? Haryana Power Generation Company Limited, that is responsible for the generation of power in Haryana. Which district in Haryana has the largest network of roads? That is Bhiwani. Which district in Haryana has highest road density? That is Ambala. The Grand Trunk Road does not pass through which of the following district? Bhiwani. Grand Trunk Road जो है वो सोनीपत, पानीपत और कुरुक्षेत्र से पास हो रहा है, बट भिवानी से पास नहीं होता. Dharuhera Industrial Area is located on which national highway? Delhi Jaipur. Dharuhera Delhi Jaipur Highway. Delhi Faridabad Skyway is a part of which national highway? National Highway 2. Delhi Faridabad Skyway is part of National Highway 2. Panipat Express is a part of National Highway 1. Delhi Faridabad National Highway 2. Panipat Expressway National Highway 1. In KMP Expressway, K stands for Kundli. K stands for Kundli. Haryana Roadways Engineering Corporation is situated at Gurugram. Where did the first train run in Haryana? Delhi Rewari. The first train run in Haryana in Delhi Rewari. Which city in Haryana had the first metro rail? That is Gurugram. In which year the Civil Aviation Wing of Haryana government was formed? 1966, the year where Civil Aviation Wing of Haryana government was formed. Ambala Air Force Station was built in 1948. Ambala Air Force Station was built in 1948. Which among the following is a magazine by Sahitya Akademi Haryana? Is Harigandha. Harigandha was a magazine by Sahitya Akademi Haryana. Which Haryanvi film released in 2014 received 2 national awards, that is Pagdi, and we already discussed about Pagdi. Jyotisar is famous for what? That is Gita Sthal. Jyotisar is famous for Gita Sthal. The book written by historian and traveler A.I. Birani, Kitabul Hind, mention about which lake in Haryana, that is Brahma Sarovar. Brahma Sarovar is a the book written by historian traveler A. Birani, that is belongs to Brahma Sarovar. Next is Thaneshwar Mahadev Temple is situated in district of Kurukshetra. The famous Mansa Devi Temple is situated in the district of Panchkula. Mansa Devi Temple, Panchkula. Which ruler has built Kabuli Bagh Mosque located in Panipat, that is Babur. Babur built Kabuli Bagh Mosque. Which famous monument was built in 1857 in Ambala cantonment area, that is St. Paul Church that was built in 1857 in Ambala cantonment area. Which ruler has constructed the fort of Gohana, that is Prithviraj Chauhan. Fort of Gohana, Prithviraj Chauhan. Which among the following historical places in Haryana was built by Shah Kuli Khan? Jal Mahal was built by Shah Kuli Khan. Which town in Haryana is also called the town of step wells and ponds? Narnaul. Narnaul is a town where step wells and ponds were founded. Mount of Rakhigiri was executed by Amarendranath. Second largest site executive in Haryana after Rakhigiri is Farmana Khas. Which district in Haryana has the Manji Sahib Gurdwara Ambala? Which of the following district of Haryana is also known as Choti Kashi, that is Bhiwani? Choti Kashi belongs to Bhiwani. The famous Star Monument Haryana situated in the district of Bhiwani. Star Monument in Haryana was situated to Bhiwani. Hisar-e-Firoja was constructed by which Muslim ruler? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Hisar-e-Firoja, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Bhuteshwara Temple is situated in the district of Jind. Sheikh Chili Tomb is situated where in Thaneshwar? Sheikh Chili Tomb situated in Thaneshwar in Haryana. The world's largest second temple of Lord Pashuram in India is situated in Haryana, where Palwal. Lord Pashuram temple was situated in Palwal. Which of the following district of Haryana is famous for metal works? That is Rewari. Metal work mainly founded in Rewari. Which district was earlier called as Abdullahpur? A Yamunanagar name in ancient period is Abdullahpur. In which year Haryana Tourism Corporation was established, that is 1966. Which organization proposed the separation of Haryana for first time in 1926? All India Muslim League. Pandit Neki Ram Sharma concentrated his nationalist activities in which region of Haryana? Rohtak. In 1947, after India independence, Haryana was a part of which India state? Punjab. During which year Sachar formula was introduced? Sachar formula 1949. According to Sachar formula, which among the following districts came under Hindi area? Hisar, Rohtak, Gurugram, that is under Sachar formula that belong under Hindi area. In which year Fazl Ali Ayog was formed? 1953. In which year Fazl Ali Commission submitted its report? 1955. Formed 1953, report 1955. After 2 years, Haryana state was formed on the recommendation of which among the following committee? Hukam Singh Committee. Hukam Singh Committee. Next is, which among the following was an ancient name of Haryana? That is Brahmavrat. Haryana का पुराना नाम Brahmavrat. Haryana Legislative Assembly is in dash in nature, that is unicameral. The first Legislative Assembly election was held in Haryana in the year of 1960. That is in 1966. The term of State Legislative Assembly is 5 years. Who was the first Speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha? Is Shano Devi. Shano Devi was the first Speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha as a ladies. Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency in Haryana in the terms of area? Bhiwani Mahendragarh. How many times president rule has been imposed in Haryana? 3 times the president rule has been imposed in Haryana. Who among the following has been chief minister of Haryana for maximum number of time? Om Prakash Chautala was the maximum number of times he was the chief minister of Haryana. Who was the first chief minister of Haryana? Bhagwat Dayal Sharma was the first chief minister, and Om Prakash Chautala was the chief minister for maximum number of times. By whom the council minister of the state appointed governor? The council minister of the state is appointed by the governor. Which of the following constituencies does not come under the district of Yamunanagar? That is Kalanur. Kalanur is not come under the district of Yamunanagar. Nu comes under the district of Mewat. Sona constituency comes under the district of Gurugram. Sona come under the Gurugram, and Nu comes under Mewat.